focus now. The Reserve Bank of India's 3-day Monetary Policy Committee meeting has begun in Mumbai. Members are holding detailed discussions on the future course of the monetary policy, assessing the latest GDP and inflation data. The policy decision will be announced by RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra on Friday at 10 a.m. The meeting comes as the economy continues to show strong performance, with GDP growth at 8.2% in the July-September quarter of FY 25-26 and the inflation dropping sharply to 0.25% in October 2025. A Bank of Baroda report suggests that the central bank is likely to keep the repo rate unchanged at 5.50% with a neutral stance, even as easing inflation provides room for a rate cut. The report notes that the growth remains robust and price pressures have eased significantly, led by a fall in the food prices. So clearly, we are expecting a slew of measures in this RBI policy meeting. Remember that the final decision will be announced on Friday at around 10 a.m. by the RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra. But the 3-day Monetary Policy Committee meeting has already started in Mumbai, and this meeting will in fact hold discussions on the future course of the monetary policy. When we look at the GDP growth of the country, the central bank has been stating that it has been very robust, and we are also looking at low inflation levels which have dropped down to 0.25% in October this year. So clearly, we are seeing that the macroeconomics of the country remains strong. In fact, the Bank of Baroda report also suggests that we are likely to see the repo rate being unchanged. Joining us on the broadcast is my colleague Aditya Vadhavan with more on this. Aditya, the RBI Monetary Policy Committee meeting has started. What more details could you give us on this?
Well, absolutely, Shivani. The RBI Monetary Policy meeting has started, and there will be definitely talks regarding as to how the repo rate can be, increased or decreased. Indeed, there are many, because currently there are several, flashbacks as far as the Indian economy are concerned. There are concerns regarding the Indian economy, what are sectors, need to be focused upon. All things will be discussed, and accordingly, the repo rate will be increased or decreased, considering the fact that it is, pertaining to, the repo rate is while giving loans to the banks by the RBI. So indeed, there will be a huge lot of discussions regarding the repo rate and what fiscal policies will need to be implemented. This will be discussed, and definitely we can expect the same in the times to come. Yes, Shivani.
All right. Thank you so much, Aditya, for all those details.